Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way. Enable mobile data and open tethering settings on your phone. Plug a quality Ethernet cable into a USB to Ethernet adapter or use a direct Ethernet port if available. Once done, connect the adapter to your phone and the cable to your PC. Make sure phone hotspot mode supports USB or Ethernet tethering. This matters because phones expose different interfaces for sharing mobile internet. If prompted, accept any permission dialogues so the PC can access the network immediately. Next, configure your PC so it uses the phone's connection. On Windows, open Network Settings and locate the new Ethernet adapter. On Mac OS, go to Network Preferences. Once visible, enable the interface and set IP4 to obtain an IP address automatically via DHCP. This lets the phone assign the correct IP and gateway. After a moment, check the adapter status. It should show connected and list the phone's IP as the gateway. If it does, you now have a routable path from PC to the mobile network. Finish by validating the link. Ping a public IP like 8.8.8.8, then open a web page to confirm DNS resolution because routing can work while DNS fails. If you get no internet, first toggle tethering off and on, then reconnect the cable. Restart the phone and PC if needed. Make sure the carrier allows tethering and your plan has data remaining. Some providers block Ethernet tethering. One key troubleshooting tip. If DHCP fails, assign a static IP in the phone subnet and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.